Hello, so in this video I'm going to be talking about Atlas. As you may have heard, GPT came out with the new browser and just made like first few looks. So you can see here you can install it. Atlas get started. It's quite simplistic. I'm using Mac as you can see. Now let's go over the browser. So am I there currently? Wait a second. Oh yeah, it's here. So straight off the bat, you can see it acts a little bit like GPT, right? Here you have some stuff like home, search, images, and videos. So what does it actually encompass? For example, let me go to, mm, for example, Kubernetes, right? So as a developer, as well, it's interesting to see if it actually can assist you in any sense, right? If I go here and I'm asking where to start learning Netix, can you check this site and go to. So because for example, here I went to Kubernetes, right, and then here it guides through, because obviously here you have the regular documentation, right, but here it recommends me where to go through step by step as a example, right? It gives a short overview, it seems. What tools to use, so it can definitely assist as a browser to go through, I guess, particular learning stages, and if there's a lot, maybe it can give us. And let's see if it actually would take control over, because I think that's where it comes really strong. As you can see, it instantly navigated. Obviously you can go inside yourself, right? But this is as well as an additional option. And now, for example, mm, obviously it's not an issue to click, right? But it can definitely give out an overlay of everything. For example, here it gives README, download, and some more information, right? Mm. But for example, if I ask some another question, you check. Mm, let's see if it actually will re-navigate. As you can see here, I'm asking something unrelated to what I have currently, and from Hamburg to Tokyo using Skyscanner, and now it showcases me the links with pricing. Let me click it here. As you can see, it already did all the search, so that is quite amazing to say the least, and it navigates quite fast. And for example, if I go here and I'm gonna ask, can you tell me the currently I'm located in Poland, right? So let's see how it's gonna work out, and it's gonna use a browser to actually uh, find the restaurants that are nearby me. Let's see how it's gonna perform. So it uses GPT LLM as well, the web browser and my current location to specify good restaurants around. So it is quite vast, to say the least, and I'm just scratching the surface. Let me try something new. Hmm. Let's try something quite bold. So GPT even actually searched the YouTube for most popular games. Can you me? Okay, so it has some capabilities. For example, here, uh, ex extracted the highest views of a particular game on, or actually all PS5 games. It has highest YouTube views. So here it has first place, as you can see, Spider-Man Mike's Malaras. Then this Forbidden West. And if I click here, then I actually would go into here, right? So that is quite amazing, to say the least. So apart from that, what are the possible downfalls? Mm. Definitely, if you're, for example, logged into Google or Gmail, it said it could use your private data, right? But there's as well way around it, because here on the settings section, okay, one thing is default, web browsing, page visibility, download locations, that's fine. So here you can see is managing address, save and fill, okay, that's saving. It has quite extensive settings. Web browser, show history, accessibility, maybe it's this one, if it actually saves data. No, not here. Let me just test again. Here it as well has password manager. Payment methods, oh that's interesting. Save and fill payment methods. So here I can even add payment methods. So I guess for automate possible buying if I go to some store, so to say. Data control, okay, this one is the most essential one. Improve the model for everywhere and allow your content to be used in train. Okay, if I enable this one, right, then it actually should be able to. Wait, let me just go again here. Okay, now it's enabling. And when it's enabled, then you can actually include web you have visited. So you can actually add the web history. So in this case, it would actually improve the LLM, right? So, but luckily it seems on default it's turned off, so that shouldn't be a concern. And agent mode, I think it's to give a custom info how it should behave. Then my LLM will be tailored to the prompt I asked. And if I go here, to start with IoT electronics. What to buy? Let me see what if it's gonna adjust different kind of prices for the things that I require when it comes to electronics. Okay, GeekPy, that's fine. Does it have any nodes and so forth? GeekPy without board. Okay, it did give me starter kit, that's fine. Sources, okay, here I got all the sources. Circular digestion. And as far as I understand, can as well import from the previous browser, because I currently still use Chrome. And for example, if I set to default, it can pass the data from Chrome to Atlas. So I hope you liked the video, and you're gonna give Atlas a shot same as I did, and maybe it's actually worth using, but obviously privacy comes first.